So today I'm going over 3 apps that someone would typically use or it would be helpful for that isn't a sport management major or job that normally required them to be in sport management, such as a coach or scout, analytics, whatever that might be. So the first app that I have is Notes, which may seem very simple, but at the same time, I use Notes already without a job 24/7. Anytime I need to remember something, absolutely anything, I could put it down in my notes, which can be helpful for anyone in sport management. As soon as you see a player or something that you might see about someone and a player, coach, whatever it may be, organization, you can go ahead and put it down in your notes right away. It's a huge help in the sport world. The next app would be Coach's Eye, which is a film app which helps you dissect film on multiple sports. So it allows you to go in slow motion, break down things. You're able to draw with the video, share it with your players. It makes everything much more simple than just going to your camera on your iPhone. And lastly would be MaxPreps, which is very helpful for someone in the scouting world. MaxPreps allows you to see almost all high school sports. As long as the high school team is up to date on MaxPreps, you can get all their stats, rosters, whatever you may need, anything you need to find out about a player that you're scouting. So MaxPreps is probably the most well-known organization whenever it comes to high school sports. So a lot of high school coaches and college recruiters look back on this app to help them, find out more about players.